If you're not using email marketing for your business, then you are really missing out. I've used it to kickstart and boost traffic for my own projects, and over the years, it's become one of the primary tools that I rely on for helping clients to grow their reach. Whether you're looking to drive more site visits, encourage repeat sales, or keep your audience engaged, it's one of those strategies that works consistently if you do it right. So in this video, I'm going to break down what email marketing actually is, why it's so effective, and how you can start applying it to grow your business. I'm going to lead you through the basics, share a few real-world examples, and show you how to put together a simple but effective campaign from scratch using Constant Contact, which is a platform I personally rely on for my own email marketing. So if you've been wanting to expand your outreach and connect with more customers, then follow along and get the tools you'll need to confidently launch your first campaign. Let's get into it. All right, so let's kick things off with the basics. At its core, email marketing is really just about sending purposeful, targeted messages to people through email. And no, it's not about spamming inboxes with random promotions or blasting out newsletters nobody wants. When it's done the right way, it's a strategy that helps you to build real relationships, provide value, and encourage your audience to take action. Every time that you open your inbox and see a welcome email after signing up for something, a discount code for being a loyal customer, or even a simple reminder about an event you registered for, that's email marketing at work. It's just businesses using email to stay connected and keep you engaged. Now, what makes it even more powerful is that it's permission-based. So people choose to sign up, subscribe, or opt in because they actually want to hear from you. And that means you're not just shouting into the void. You're reaching an audience that already has a genuine interest in what you're offering. That alone makes it way more effective than trying to fight for attention on a crowded social feed or hoping an ad gets noticed in the mix. So, why does email marketing work so well when other channels sometimes fall short? Well, the biggest reason is that it's direct. You're not stuck trying to gamble with confusing algorithms or wondering if your post will even show up in someone's feed. When you send an email, it goes straight to your customer's inbox, a place they're already checking every single day. It also feels personal, so even if you're emailing thousands of people, you can make each message feel like it was written just for them. A subject line with their name, a birthday discount, or a reminder based on their last purchase. Those little touches go a long way in building trust and keeping people engaged. Plus, the return on investment is very impressive. On average, email marketing delivers about $36 back for every dollar spent, which is an astonishing 3,600% ROI. And the reason it works so well is because you're not casting a wide net. You're sending targeted messaging to people who have already shown interest in what you are offering. And it's not just about the sales. A simple thank you email or a quick follow-up after someone buys from you shows that you really value their business. Over time, that kind of consistent communication is what turns one-time buyers into repeat customers and repeat customers into loyal fans of your brand. Now, to really make email marketing work, you're going to need the right tool to keep everything consistent. And for me, it's been Constant Contact. I've been using it for years, and what I like most about it is how it balances simplicity with flexibility. If you're just starting out, you're not going to feel overwhelmed, but if you're more advanced, there are plenty of features to help you scale. For instance, you get access to hundreds of mobile-friendly templates that you can easily customize with a drag-and-drop editor. No design skills or coding required, so you can put together something professional looking in minutes. They even have AI writing tools built in, which is a nice touch when you're stuck and need content ideas fast. Another thing that I appreciate is how straightforward it is to manage your contacts. You can import your existing list, create sign-up forms for your website, or connect with social media to bring in new leads automatically. From there, segmentation makes a big difference because you can send targeted messages based on someone's interest, behavior, or even location. That way, your emails feel personal and relevant instead of just generic. Now, once you hit send, you're not left in the dark. Constant Contact tracks all the key stats, opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and conversions, so you can actually see what's working and what's not. Plus, compliance is already handled for you with safe unsubscribe links, GDPR, and canned spam features built in, so that's one less headache that you need to worry about. Now, I've tested other email marketing platforms, but Constant Contact has stayed in my rotation because it really hits that sweet spot. Some platforms overload you with features you'll never use, while others could start feeling too limited the minute your business starts to grow. But Constant Contact sits right in the middle. It's approachable for beginners, yet robust enough to grow along with you. Now, that said, some of its more advanced features, like detailed segmentation or building out custom automation paths, can take a little time to get used to. It's not super complicated, but there is a bit of a learning curve if you've never worked with those kinds of tools before. Though with some practice, once you get comfortable, They're very helpful and can give you much more control over how your campaigns perform. And the built-in compliance features and reporting tools really give me some extra peace of mind. I can focus on creating content and engaging with my audience instead of stressing about the technical or the legal side. It's a big reason why I continue to recommend it. All right, now let's get into how to actually start building your own email campaign with Constant Contact. The good thing is they make the whole process really straightforward so you don't feel overwhelmed. They even give you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, meaning you can sign up, explore its features, and even send out your first campaign without spending anything up front. So once you've signed up, the first step is building your list. You can import any contacts that you already have, but what makes Constant Contact really useful is how easy they make it to keep growing your audience. You can add sign-up forms to your website, connect them with your social media, and bring in new subscribers automatically. Then from there, it's time to create your first campaign. All you need to do is pick a template, customize it with your branding, adjust the content, and send it out. Now, another area where Constant Contact makes things easier is automation. You can set up something as simple as a welcome email for new subscribers, or if you want to get more advanced, create flows triggered by actions like a purchase or a sign up. It's a great way to stay consistent without having to be tied to your computer all the time. And after you sent your first email, you'll be able to see how it performed. The reporting dashboard gives you clear insights like who opened, who clicked, and where people are engaging, so you can keep improving with every campaign. I found this especially helpful because it takes the guesswork out and gives you confidence that you're moving in the right direction. So all in all, the whole process is very straightforward. You can start small with a trial, build your list step by step, and add in more advanced features as your needs grow. It's flexible enough that you don't get locked into something too complicated, but powerful enough to keep up as your business grows. Now, let's take a look at cost. Constant Contact offers 3 main plans, but keep in mind that the price for each of these subscription options fluctuates depending on how many contacts you need to support. The rates we're looking at here cover up to 500 contacts, but Constant Contact can actually support up to 50,000. Their simplest package is the Lite plan starting at $12. It provides the basics like templates, a drag and drop editor, and even some AI writing tools. So if you're just starting out and don't need anything too fancy, this is more than enough to get you moving. Then there's the standard plan starting at $35 a month. This is where things start to open up a bit. You get automated email scheduling, pre-built workflows, contact segmentation, and subject line A/B testing. For most small businesses, this is usually the sweet spot since it balances ease of use with features that drive results. And finally, there's the premium plan starting at $80 a month. This one is built for businesses that need more customization and advanced tools, so you get dynamic content, detailed segmentation, more powerful automation paths, revenue tracking and SEO, as well as 500 SMS messages included each month. So if any of these plans stand out to you, then you can get started with Constant Contact by checking out the affiliate link in the description below, where sometimes we do have some special deals that you're not going to find if you go directly through their website. All right, so now that we have a better understanding of what email marketing can do, let's touch on a few simple steps you can take to make your campaign stand out and get noticed. Now, one of the most important things is focusing on quality over quantity. It's not about sending as many emails as you can. It's about delivering the right message at the right time. Even a smaller, well-targeted campaign can often perform better if it feels relevant and timely. And on that note, timing can have a big impact on results. For some audiences, mornings are perfect, while others get more engagement in the evenings or even on weekends. It really comes down to figuring out that sweet spot. So I always suggest testing out different days and times to see when your audience responds the most. Now, varying the type of content you send is another way to keep people interested. Don't just stick to sales or promotions. Mix in helpful tips, updates, or even little behind-the-scenes stories about your business. When subscribers feel like they're getting value instead of constant pitches, they stay engaged longer. And finally, always pay attention to what the numbers are telling you. Constant Contact gives you the data, but it's your job to test and adapt. Try new subject lines, experiment with different layouts, or test out fresh offers. Over time, those small tweaks will add up, and you'll see exactly what works best for your audience. So to wrap things up, email marketing is still one of the most reliable ways to connect with your audience, build strong relationships, and grow your business. Unlike social media or ads that depend on algorithms, email gives you direct access to people who have already chosen to hear from you. And with Constant Contact, the whole process feels approachable for beginners while still giving you the advanced tools that you're going to want as your business expands. So if you're serious about keeping your audience engaged and driving consistent results, I would definitely recommend giving Constant Contact a try. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more just like this. As a reminder, if you want to try Constant Contact for your business, then you can get started by using the affiliate link down in the description below, where sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to find if you go directly to their website. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try and get back to them as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.